Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here at Cavaliere. As always, please be sure to subscribe to our channel for troubleshooting tips and tricks. Today we'll be troubleshooting your range hood keypad. If your keypad is non-functional, we'll show you how to easily replace it for a new one. Always remember to work on a clean and soft surface. First things first, you have to unplug the power completely. Not doing so will cause injury and you may get shocked. Once the range hood is without power, carefully place the range hood on its side and locate the filters. Depending on your range hood model, you'll be able to remove the filter just by pushing down on the clip. Do this to access the harness and keypad. Note that your keypad may be located at the top front of your range hood, and it's held in by 2 screws and washers on both sides along with a connecting wire harness. Remove both screws and unplug the harness to safely remove your keypad. To install your new keypad, position it in place and carefully tighten both screws before connecting the harness. Plug in your power cord and let your range hood run for at least 2 minutes. Check every light function. There are a total of 3 settings. If your lights aren't working, check our troubleshoot video link below. Check every fan speed to see if it's working properly. Depending on your model, there may be anywhere from 4 to 6 speeds. If your fan speed isn't working, check out our troubleshoot video below. After 2 minutes, turn your range hood off and safely unplug it from the power. Reinstall your filters and you're ready to go. Thanks so much for checking out our troubleshoot video. If you have any suggestions on other troubleshoot videos you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment below.